This is breaking news. The Department of Justice filed legal papers in federal court responding to Steve Bannon's claim that Trump has waived executive privilege, and Bannon now wants to testify before the January 6th committee. As we've been reporting at MeidasTouch, this argument by Bannon is complete BS. It has no merit and is simply an attempt to delay his trial, which is set to start on July 18. The DOJ lawyers aren't having it. The DOJ legal papers explain that contempt of Congress is for past violations of not responding to subpoenas. So any attempt to cure a past violation by complying now is totally irrelevant. Bannon's crime was for not responding when he got subpoenaed. It's too late, Bannon. The DOJ cites a bunch of cases that stand for this proposition. The DOJ next argues that Bannon has not cured anything in any event since he hasn't turned over any documents requested by the subpoena. Remember, the subpoena the January 6th committee sent Bannon requires him to turn over cell phone records and emails, none of which Bannon has complied with. So Bannon hasn't done anything for curing. This ain't no podcast, Bannon. This is the DOJ. Law and order, baby. The legal filings also go on to explain that there was no executive privilege to begin with, that Trump is a former president, and executive privilege is something for current presidents to invoke. And Bannon didn't work for Trump and the White House as of January 6th and was a podcaster. So he had no professional relationship anyway to invoke a privilege. There was also a mini bombshell in the legal filings. In the filings, the Justice Department said that Trump's attorney, Justin Clark, spoke to the FBI and told the FBI in a June 29 interview that the former president never invoked executive privilege over any particular information or materials related to Bannon. Checkmate, fascist. The DOJ filing asked the federal judge to exclude any evidence of Trump purported to waive executive privilege since it's completely irrelevant and prejudicial since the privilege doesn't exist for Bannon. Bannon is a liar playing games, and even if Bannon wanted to testify in the future, it's irrelevant to the crime he is charged with, which deals with his past violations. The DOJ's motions conclude by explaining Bannon's last-ditch effort is simply another move by Bannon to avoid accountability as his criminal trial is set to start. Oh, and one other thing, the DOJ mentions in its filings that Trump is using his political action committee to pay Bannon's legal team. Scumbag MAGA criminal traitors. We'll keep you updated on Bannon's criminal trial here at MeidasTouch. Now make sure you please subscribe to the MeidasTouch YouTube channel. We need you on our team to fight fascism. If you're ready to join us, if you're ready to fight for democracy, hit that subscribe button right now for the MeidasTouch YouTube channel. Thank you.